Western Indiana, southern Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 7:15 p.m. At 6:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Grant Park, 7 miles northeast of Moments, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lowell, Moments, Lake Village, Ruth Lawn, Grant Park, Shelby, Schneider, Thayer, and Sumava resorts, including the following interstate: Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 233 and 240. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. This is NOAA's Weather Radio.